What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tech Product. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best multicolor 3D printer to help you find the perfect machine for vibrant, high-quality prints with speed and precision. Let's get started. Let's begin with number 5, the Bambu Lab P1S Multicolor 3D Printer. The Bambu Lab P1S Multicolor 3D Printer is a powerful and user-friendly machine that makes high-quality 3D printing accessible and enjoyable. This fully enclosed printer from Bambu Lab enhances performance for advanced filaments and is made for high-temperature printing, allowing you to create detailed and durable prints with ease. It is print-ready right out of the box with sophisticated hardware and software that handles everything for you. You do not have to mess with complicated setups. Just click Print, and the printer automatically performs bed leveling and vibration compensation, ensuring hassle-free printing every time. This opens up exciting possibilities for creative projects, prototypes, and functional parts that stand out with beautiful color combinations. It prints fast with exceptional quality thanks to state-of-the-art control algorithms. With the help of vibration compensation and pressure advancement, it delivers extremely fast printing speeds without compromising on detail or finish. Acceleration up to 20 mm per second squared helps it complete projects quickly while maintaining smooth and accurate results. The fully enclosed body provides a stable environment that improves print quality and supports a wider range of materials. The sophisticated design and reliable performance make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users who want consistent and impressive prints. Overall, the Bambu Lab P1S Multicolor 3D Printer combines a fully enclosed design, multicolor printing support, automatic calibration, fast and high-quality output, and user-friendly operation into one advanced and reliable machine. It is an excellent option for anyone looking to explore 3D printing with speed, precision, and creative freedom. Up next at number 4 is the Flashforge AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. The Flashforge AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer brings vibrant multicolor printing to life with support for up to 4 colors simultaneously, giving you endless creative possibilities for your designs and projects. This printer makes it easy to create colorful and detailed models that stand out with rich hues and smooth transitions. The one-click auto-leveling feature ensures smooth and uninterrupted prints by automatically calibrating the print bed for optimal results every time. You do not have to spend time manually adjusting settings, so you can focus more on creating and less on setup. The AD5X features a Core XY structure with ultra-fast printing speeds up to 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm per second squared. This stable design boosts both efficiency and print quality, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and batch production where time matters. Exceptional print quality comes from the advanced dual-channel cooling fan, vibration compensation system, and 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder. These features work together to produce clean, precise layers with excellent surface finish and strong overall structure. The versatile nozzle options give you full creative control. The 0.4 mm nozzle comes pre-installed for versatile everyday printing. For specialized tasks, you can optionally upgrade to the ultra-fine 0.25 mm nozzle for miniature details or to the 0.6 mm and 0.8 mm nozzles to significantly reduce print time on large, sturdy models. Smart, user-friendly features like the built-in resume printing function handle unexpected power loss, while automatic filament feeding and retraction simplify operation. You can also monitor and control prints remotely via the FlashMaker mobile app for added convenience. The Flashforge AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer combines vibrant multicolor capability, fast performance, and smart features into one reliable machine. Its thoughtful engineering and high-quality results make it a fantastic choice for hobbyists, designers, and small businesses looking to bring their ideas to life with speed and color. The combination of ease of use and advanced capabilities helps you create impressive prints with confidence. Now, let's move on to number 3, the Creality K2 SE Multicolor 3D Printer. The Creality K2 SE Multicolor 3D Printer is a fast and versatile machine that brings professional multicolor printing capabilities to your workspace. This Creality 3D printer from Creality makes it easy to create vibrant and detailed models with seamless color transitions, perfect for creative projects and professional prototypes. The smart Creality CFS system offers auto-switching, color recognition, and moisture-proof filament storage, ensuring stable feeding and clean multicolor results. It allows you to print with multiple filaments without manual intervention, saving time and reducing errors during complex prints. It reaches up to 500 mm per second high-speed printing with 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration, delivering fast output while maintaining stable and high-quality prints. This makes it ideal for users who need quick production without sacrificing detail or reliability. Built with a solid metal frame using die-cast aluminum alloy, the printer minimizes vibration and boosts long-term reliability. Reinforced structural gussets and crossbeams help deliver consistent print quality, which is essential for engineering, education, and professional use. The generous build volume provides enough space for functional parts, prototypes, and multicolor models while keeping high speed and stable print quality. The smart auto-leveling system probes only the required print area, speeding up preparation and improving first-layer accuracy for a smoother workflow. The powerful and reliable modular direct drive extruder features a quick-swap clog-free nozzle for easy maintenance and smooth filament feeding. Hardened steel gears improve durability, while the run-out sensor and automatic cutter enable seamless filament switching for stable printing. The printer delivers a simple and streamlined 3D printing experience with fast out-of-the-box setup, hassle-free auto-leveling, and a skip-the-failure model function for reliable batch printing. Powered by the upgraded Creality OS, it supports multi-filament management, expert mode tuning, LAN multi-printer control, and seamless cloud printing, making it ideal for beginners, makers, and pros seeking efficient and high-quality workflows. Overall, the Creality K2 SE multicolor 3D printer combines multicolor printing support, high-speed performance, solid metal construction, smart auto-leveling, reliable extrusion, and user-friendly software into one advanced and practical machine. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore creative 3D printing with speed, precision, and ease. Just one step away from the top, at number 2, is the Qidi Q2 multicolor 3D printer. The Qidi Q2 multicolor 3D printer unlocks creative possibilities with its multicolor and multi-material capabilities. This printer allows up to 16-color printing with drywall print technology that keeps filaments dry for stable extrusion and smooth surfaces. It supports a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, Pennsylvania, PC, and carbon or glass fiber composites, so you can create strong, precise prototypes and vibrant models. The high-performance Qidi box features a hardened steel dual-gear extruder that ensures durable and stable performance even with challenging materials. The built-in 65 degrees Celsius drying system maintains optimal filament conditions during printing, while the automatic filament reloading system minimizes manual intervention and maximizes printing continuity. NFC technology intelligently recognizes and applies settings for Qidi filament, and the robust safety system with real-time monitoring and automatic power cutoff provides essential protection for worry-free operation. Exclusive precision and stability features set the Qidi Q2 apart. The nozzle acts as the leveling sensor, delivering unmatched first-layer accuracy that is unaffected by bed surface and truly plug-and-play. The second-generation PTC heated chamber reaches 65 degrees Celsius to minimize warping and ensure strong layer adhesion. The upgraded 1.5 GT synchronous belt reduces vibration artifacts, delivering ultra-smooth surfaces. The all-in-one performance combines speed and quality with a full metal Core XY structure and precision linear rails that support high speeds up to 600 mm per second. The 370 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle unlocks advanced materials, while features like auto-leveling, filament runout, and tangle detection, AI camera monitoring, and power loss recovery ensure reliable, professional results every time. The Qidi Q2 multicolor 3D printer also prioritizes safety and cleanliness with a triple filtration system that effectively reduces odors and harmful particles. Multiple sensors, closed-loop temperature controls, and a flame-retardant chamber ensure safe indoor use. Backed by responsive customer service and lifetime technical support, it provides a worry-free experience from unboxing to printing. The combination of vibrant multicolor printing, advanced material support, and smart features makes the Qidi Q2 a powerful and user-friendly choice for creators who want impressive results with less hassle. And our best overall choice at number 1 is the Creality K2 Plus multicolor 3D printer. The Creality K2 Plus multicolor 3D printer is a powerful and versatile machine that brings multicolor printing and high-speed performance to your workspace. This Creality 3D printer from Creality makes it easy to create vibrant and detailed models with up to 16 colors when you connect up to 4 CFS units, saving the need for extra painting afterward. The intelligent management of multiple filaments through the Creality automatic material system ensures stable feeding and clean multicolor results. It handles different materials smoothly, giving you more creative freedom for your projects. High-speed printing is impressive with the step servo motor system that reaches 30,000 mm per second squared acceleration and 40 cubic millimeters per second high flow. For a large format machine, 600 mm per second is quite fast, and the turbocharged motors deliver quick output while maintaining excellent quality. Multi-material capability comes from the actively heated chamber and high-temperature nozzle with hardened steel tip. This unlocks a wider selection of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, Pennsylvania CF, PLA CF, PET, ASA, and PPA CF, so you can tackle more advanced prints with confidence. Dual AI cameras watch over the printing process, detecting issues like spaghetti failure, foreign objects, or idling. It alerts you when an error occurs and supports real-time monitoring and time-lapse filming, helping you stay informed and catch problems early. The ingenious anti-tilt auto-leveling uses dual independently motorized Z-axes for automatic tilt reduction and strain gauge-based compensation. This ensures a smooth and neat first layer without manual intervention, making setup quick and reliable. The sturdy matrix frame with die-cast technology provides superb rigidity, while the dual Z-axis assisted by 4 linear rods keeps the print bed extremely steady. This results in virtually no layer shift and consistent high-quality prints. Automated runout sensor and filament cutter add to the reliability, making filament changes smooth and reducing waste. Overall, the Creality K2 Plus multicolor 3D printer combines multicolor printing support, high-speed performance, multi-material capability, intelligent AI monitoring, smart auto-leveling, sturdy construction, and automated features into one advanced and practical machine. It is an excellent choice for creators, engineers, and hobbyists who want speed, precision, and creative freedom in their 3D printing projects. Thanks for watching. Check the price link in the description to explore the latest prices and offers. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to Tech Product for more product reviews and buying guides.